Let's take a look at the first example. We have to perform the operation inside of the parentheses first. We have to add these two numbers, okay? But remember, anytime you want to add numbers with powers of 10 together, you have to make sure that the powers of 10 are going to be identical. And keep in mind that we're supposed to express the answer in engineering notation. Because I have 6 times 10 to the third, okay, this is example of engineering notation. I'm going to convert 10 to the 5th also to engineering notation. Also, you can convert an exponent to any value, okay, and at the end you can make the adjustment and convert the final answer to engineering notation. But in this case, I'm going to convert 5 to 3. My exponent is going to go down. From 5, I'm going to decrease to 3. So exponent goes down, number goes up. That's why I'm going to have 800. I have to move my decimal point twice to right. Okay? And I'm going to have times 10 to the third plus 6 times 10 to the third. Let me copy this down. Divide by 2 times 10 to the third. 800 plus 6 is 806 times 10 to the third. Divide by 2 times 10 to the third. I'm going to convert this notation to the fraction form. I have 806 times 10 to the third divided by 2 times 10 to the third. 806 divided by 2 is 403 times, anytime you divide the numbers with the same base, you have to keep the base and subtract the exponents. That's why I'm going to have 10, 3 minus 3. I'm doing everything step by step. So I have 403 times 10 to 0. Okay? So the number on the left side of the decimal point is between 1 and 999. The exponent of my power of 10 is 0. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have to perform the multiplication first. We have to multiply 4 by 7 and 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 4th. Okay, so I have 4 times 7 times 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 4th. Remember, we can rewrite this problem like this because I have multiplication everywhere over here. Okay, minus 8 times 10 to 7. 4 times 7 gives me 28. Times, remember, anytime you multiply the numbers with the same base, you have to keep the base and add exponents. 5 plus 4 is equal 9. Minus 8 times 10 to 7. I have to subtract these two numbers. In order to subtract two numbers with powers of 10, we're supposed to make sure that we're going to have the same powers of 10. I have 10 to 9. This is already engineering notation. That's why I'm going to convert 7 to 9 also. The exponent will go up, number has to go down. The difference between 9 and 7 is 2. That's why I have to move my decimal point twice to the left. Exponent goes up, number goes down. So if I want to convert this to 9, I have to move my decimal point twice to left. And I'm going to have 28 times 10 to 9 minus 0.08 times 10 to 9. Now I can perform the subtraction. I have 28.00 minus 0.08. Subtract. Borrow 1 from here. It's become 10 over here. 9 over here, and 7 over here. 10 minus 8 is 2. This is going to be 9. Bring down the decimal point, and I have 7, and I have 2. I have 27.92. 27.92 times 10 to 9. Okay, the number on the left side of the decimal point is between 1 and 999. The exponent of my power of 10 is multiple of 3. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem.